Hey, welcome back everybody. What is today? August 29th. I don't have my glasses on, so it's almost impossible at times for me to see that watch. August 29th. It's a cool August. We're up to 73 maybe. Spyder's saying 75, but I had to stop to see if I was recording. So this is going to be a little bit different of a vlog than what I normally do. I am riding in the Hocking Hills region. I'm on 664 slash, I'm not on 664 anymore. I am on 56 slash 374 on the backside. And it's a gorgeous ride. There's not a lot of traffic. I did let a couple cars go because I hit the button to record and nothing happened. So I had to take my helmet off. Can't take the helmet off as you're driving down the road, so I had to pull over, and now I've got cars I know that are ahead of me. I don't know how fast they're going, so I am not going to go through here super quick because I don't want to catch up with them, to be honest with you. It's a quite lovely road if you've never been on 56 on the backside of the Hocking Hills slash Old Man's Cave slash whatever you want to call this down through here. Beautiful, beautiful road. Definitely a must ride. So today I want to talk about self-care, mental health, happy rides, wind therapy, whatever you want to call it. There's been a lot of change in my life in the last 2.5 months. The wife, after 28 years, has taken a different road. I am not here to bash her or to say anything negative. It is to discuss what I've had to deal with and how I am moving forward every day. So like I said, she's taken a different road. We do wish her the best in her endeavors as she moves forward. Now, it was a shock to me 2.5 months ago on why she left, and I'm not getting into that because it's very personal. And yeah, they're getting water out of the mountain, fresh water for anybody. See, there's the two cars. I would have caught up with them quickly. So the last couple years have been extremely difficult on me. My health has deteriorated where it was hard for me. I got an itchy eye. Yeah, I know, over the yellow line. It's been very difficult for me to even walk just down the street and back. Quarter mile was my limit. And I really then looked at something and was like, do I want to do this? Because if I do this, this could set me back for a day or two or 3 or 4 simple things. Mowing the grass, taking out the garbage, pulling the garbage out of the garbage can. You're kind of bent over a little bit. It still hurts quite a bit. Sweeping the steps. Who would have thought that sweeping steps would be hard for anybody? So, you know, since I have not been doing a lot for the last couple years, I have put on just a ton of weight. I am not gonna lie. My high, 340 pounds. Heavy boy. Heavy boy. So, with the wife leaving, I've had to really step up and take control of my life because no one else is going to take control of my life except for myself. So in the last 2 months, we might have to stop and then I will start. After we get through this, they are making a new entrance. Do they already have it open? Nice. Nice. So it's a 2-lane. Before it was a 1-lane getting in there. And they made this beautiful 2-lane to Ash Cave. I love it. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Now all I gotta do is pass these slow people. So what I have done in the last 2.5 months to better myself is, number one, I had to surrender and say I can't do this by myself. I had to get help. I did not give up. I wake up every morning, I put my feet on the floor, and I start my day. I reached out to my family doctor and I let her know what was going on. She was very concerned, like anybody would be, and she has put me on medication to help me get out of my own head. Now, I hope this medicine is temporary, and once I get on my feet, you know, I can then reduce the amount of medicine and I can take care of myself. But at this point in time, I need a little help. So I'm taking medicine. I haven't even been on a ride. Have not been on a ride in weeks because it was just too difficult. You know, it still kind of sucks. Like today, you know, I'm on a ride. I would love to share this with someone. But, you know, as of now, I cannot. Now, that will change in the future. It will change. No doubt in my mind that at some point in time, I will have someone that I can share my life with. So what I have done besides taking medicine is I have stopped drinking diet soda. I was drinking probably 5 a day. And, you know, it's just not the best for you. I have stopped drinking beer. I have started walking. I walk about 5 miles a day. Now, for me, it's a difficult chore. I'm not gonna lie. You know, I went out today. I don't know how many miles I've walked today. 2-3 miles maybe. So as I'm sitting here, you know, my hips are letting me know that they are not happy. They are not happy at all. My back feels pretty good, but it's summertime, and I feel the best in the summer. You know, when the winter comes around and it's cold, the body aches just can be difficult. So I've lost 30 pounds watching what I'm eating, not drinking, and trying to get as much exercise as I can. Now, the exercise truly, if I'm having a bad day, earbuds in and, you know, a mile and a quarter walk, and, you know, you feel so much better. So, you know, all of this is not to go, woe is me. I don't need pity. You know, this is just what I'm going through and how I am dealing with everything. And, you know, when therapy is a thing, you know, you hop on whatever you ride. I don't care if it's 2 wheels, 3 wheels, 4 wheels. You get out in the air and you can truly think and prioritize your life. Now, I've needed a little bit more help than that, and that's fine. You know, that's why there's help out there. Now, look at that. That's going to be a beautiful little house. What else have I done? You know, getting back into cutting grass, oh my goodness, it still takes me about 3 days to cut our yard, and our yard is very small. Or I should say my yard is very small. You know, I have a really big house, especially for just being myself and my daughter, who started college yesterday. You see that? That was easy. Easy as pie. I love this road. But people do come down through here fairly slow at times, like, you know, this person in their Outback. It's okay. We'll just put it in 6th gear and ride. So what I'm trying to do now is get myself physically and mentally as strong as possible. That way I have good days that I can rely on myself to make sure things get done, and we have slowed down another 5 miles per hour. 45 miles per hour. I know Subarus can go quicker than 45. There we go. Back up to 50 almost. Because that's, you know, that's the most important thing. I need to get as healthy as possible. That way when I move on with my life, I can put the last 28 years not truly behind me. You know, I think we need to learn from any mistakes we made and grow as a person, you know, before we move on. That way you're not carrying that with you as you move forward. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to get back into riding. This year was supposed to be my year to where I would just ride as much as I wanted. The ex-wife and I actually had plans that we were going to take some trips together this year, and I was really looking forward to that. So this year definitely has been a bust when it comes to rides, but I know that one day, you know, I'll be able to find someone that wants to enjoy these rides with me. Oh, I could pass pass them now, but there's a stop sign right there. So what we will do is we will see where they go. If they go straight, then we will pass them onto the next section of road. But hey, look, they sped up to 60. Look at that big old gold wing pulling a trailer. Big old gold wing. Oh, look at that. I don't even have to pass them. Subaru be turning. Oh, there's a Chevy truck up there. 400 platform. Hi, how you doing? Let's go ahead and back up a little bit so she can see. Super duper pooper scooper. I don't think she was very happy with me when I looked at her. Boom! We are shifting at 5,000 RPM. Oh my goodness, we're going too quick. What am I gonna do? I am scared. We're doing 64 miles per hour. Ooh, that was fast. Scary, scary, scary. So I edited a video yesterday. It's going up tomorrow, which will be Wednesday, and it's me starting to work on the old black Spyder. Now the black Spyder's in rough shape because, like I said, the last couple of years I have not been able to do a lot, and I'm forcing myself to move forward with things that I really don't want to do because it hurts, and hurting sucks. I'm not gonna lie. Chronic pain is absolutely miserable. But let's get back to what I was talking about on the black Spyder. Putting up this video, I'm watching this video and I was like, man, I am a huge person. So, you know, seeing myself on camera, I'm not putting myself down by no means. It is what it is at this point in time. You know, all I need to do is move forward. I'm very happy with who I am. I'm very pleased with who I am. But it would be nice to lose a little bit more weight. And I do have a goal in mind. I've been told that you have to set a goal. So I have a goal. I want to lose 10 more pounds, and then I want to reevaluate how I move forward. But like I said, I've lost 30 pounds. I'm starting to feel better. I can actually see my helmet's, you know, floppy. my helmet's loose. I'm not buying a new helmet. I will see if I can't get... So if they make this shell like in a 1X and a 2X, then maybe I can get the 1X pads put in it, and then it will fit me a little tighter. I seriously doubt the shell seems to be very small, so I don't think it's its own. I don't think you could do a 3X with this shell. I'm not buying a new helmet. I am not buying a new helmet. There is just no way, not at this point in time in my life. This helmet will do the trick. But yeah, no, I'm not out on the old Spyder. I am on the 2020. I don't even know how many miles I have on this thing. Almost 24,000. So I've been riding it quite a bit. Despite not riding it a lot this year. I've been to Tennessee. Man, that trip to Tennessee was absolutely wonderful. It rained absolutely the whole entire time I was down there. Every ride I took, I was in the rain. Even coming home, I ran into rain. So going down, I ran into monsoon rain. Down there doing Skyway was one of the scariest trips I've ever had to do in my life. I was up on the mountain. It dropped, I don't know, from 72, 73 down to 55, 58 and through there. It was cloudy. I couldn't record anything. It was raining. The brakes were cold, and it was a challenging ride. Now, that whole trip I absolutely enjoyed. I stay in Sweetwater, Tennessee. The hotel there has a hot tub and a swimming pool, and that's where I started with swimming. And I swam, and then when I got back I swam, and then you know, I just keep working on that. But like I said, I stay in Sweetwater, Tennessee. The hotel's there, hot tub, swimming pool. There's a huddle house right beside it, and there's a gas station convenience store on the other side. So I have everything I need basically in a parking lot, which makes it easier when it's difficult for you to get around. Oh, that road kind of dipped off a little bit before the corner, kind of upset me there. Big old Ford, man, dang. That's a Rocky, whatever they call them, Rocky something. I'll tell you, after walking however many miles I've walked today, 2.5, 3 miles, riding takes on new challenges for sure. Like I said, my hips are definitely letting me know that they are not happy with the amount of work I've been doing. Hey, that's a kitty. I think that's a kitty. Did that kitty have a tail? Was that a house kitty? Was that a bobcat kitty? It was a meow meow. Those are gorgeous little cottages. So anybody want to go for a ride? Hit me up, drop a message in the comments. We'll go for a ride. It's gorgeous down through here. Absolutely love it. These turns, ooh, they always sneak up on me. Let's see if we can drop another gear, drop in, stay on the gas. Oh, it's tight right there. Let's accelerate into the next one. I'm telling you, this thing runs so much better deleting that 2-up switch when it's just me riding. Now remember, don't delete that if you're 2-up. But I'm going to be a single rider for a minute, so I don't need to worry about it. There we go, start. So like I said, this video is not a woe is me. I'm not trying to call out the ex-wife. I'm not doing anything. It's just important that we take care of ourselves. I discovered that my weight was more hindering than what I thought, so I am trying to lose weight so I can get back to doing the things that I love, which is riding my Can-Am Spyder, working on the black one. I'm not saying I'm working on this one. This one, if it needs work, I'm gonna be a little upset. This one is too new to need work. You know what I'm saying. I'm rambling big time, so stay safe, everybody. Give me a big old thumbs up, drop a comment below. You know, I'm taking every day, a day at a time, sometimes an hour at a time. I'm not gonna lie, but I am out enjoying this beautiful, beautiful country that I live in. So, like I said, give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. Enjoy the videos. I'll see you down the road.